Rainy Saturday, rainy Saturday. Rain, 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 rain everywhere. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're going to be seeing this video. Like I always tell you guys, anytime I come on here, I feel super excited. I love you guys. I love coming on here. Even if I am not monetized for now, there's this joy in me whenever I pick up my camera to talk with you guys. It seems I'm seeing you guys today. Rain, 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 rain everywhere. Rain woke me up from sleep. Okay, I woke up to hear the sound of the rain, and I'm done sweeping the other apartments. Food is ready, as you can see in the other clip. Yeah, so today is marriage seminar in our church. I love seminar that I don't want to miss. That's why I had to do everything I did yesterday and in the other vlog. So if you haven't seen the other video, please go check it out. So right now I want to sweep my apartment and then have my bath, eat, and then ask up to church. Ask. So guys, I'll see you guys much later. If you haven't subscribed, please do it. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notifications so you won't miss out whenever I put out. Every time I keep saying I put out a new video here